We've got Robert helping us out with the roller furling. And he's up there at the top of the mast. Pretty amazing. Now we're setting up a wrench. Okay, the roller furling is now detached from the floor of the boat. Alright, we got the roller furling off on both ends.
Okay, we had to pull this roller furling off, so this is the mainstay. Pulled that down this morning, and this guy was stuck up here. Managed to hammer it down using a block. This denting is from the previous owner, which may be why it was stuck so bad. It damaged this nylon bushing inside of here.
What do you think could have caused that damage?
Hammering, and also seawater, corrosion on this, running it up and down with lots of different things. Bad maintenance, etc. Anyway, so it was so stuck that you could not move it at all, period. And now it moves really well down here, and this is the top side, so this is where all the crap happened. And so I'm trying to clean up this nylon bushing here so that once I get it back onto the upper section, it'll slide nice and easy. But it's been kind of an all-day project, and so far so good. There's a lot of good things going on right now. This is nice. That's what you want. But once
Pump
it gets
it.
to here, that's when the bushing gets caught. So I need to clean that up enough. I got some finger files going on in there, and some sanding and scraping. Once I can get it to slide on this one, that means it's ready to go up. So I got some work to do yet, but I thought I was never gonna unstick, and it's unstuck.
Excellent.
So we're in good shape. Hopefully we'll have the jib up on it tomorrow morning. So we gotta run off the mast, get the mainstay back on. Right now we have
Needs to go up there.
we have two halyards on it right now, which are basically all that's supporting the mast.
Not good.
So yeah, I don't want
It's a temporary fix.
For very long. Definitely not. So as soon as this goes back up tomorrow morning, jib can go up, which would be nice because the jib is this giant bag, and it's taking up space inside the boat, which sucks. So that's about it. And now we're gonna go get dinner at some excellent place, eatery nearby. Come back, got plenty of sun left to finish that crap up and get out of here. I want to go sailing tomorrow to go see the sunset. There's the boat, just checking out some of the running lights here. You can see where the mast cover was. Above that needs to be cleaned pretty well. The spreader lights are working. I got to replace those with LEDs. Steaming light just there at the upper spreaders is working. Top light's working. Anchor light. So we're good. I have to replace the red greens up front. Those are garbage. Half light's working. She's getting really close to going. You can see that there's Two halyards supporting the mast right now. That's because I took down the roller furler the other day. Spent 2 days working out. Here it is. It's fairly long. In case you want to see how much of a pain in the ass that is. So right now the only thing holding up the mast is two halyards. But tomorrow morning this guy is going back up. There's a couple screws there. The problem was this is not sliding. As you can see now it is sliding. Excellent improvement. See, there's one of the spreader lights went out again. I think they're... there it goes again. Turns back on. Bad connection. The bulb's probably old incandescence. There's corrosion, etc. Getting a new dinghy tomorrow. Oh, there it goes. Those aren't necessary for navigation, but they're pretty sweet to be able to see what's going on deck. Dealing with stuff at night. Gotta get those sorted out. Yeah. Now this is, it won't slide.
Alright, we are lifting the roller furling up. Putting up the Jenny.